Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I wanted to show you how to set up Claude Code inside of Visual Studio Code or VS Code. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you see here is I've been navigated to code.visualstudio.com and you should be able to see a button to download it either for Windows, and of course if you're running Mac, you'll be able to see download for Mac here. I was just going to say download for Windows. It's going to tell me sure. And you should be able to see an executable file that will be installed here on your machine. So you can just go ahead, click here on it, and you can go ahead and run it, launch it. And you can just simply say, okay, I accept. You can say next. You can set in this, just keep everything as default. And I'm going to just say install. And that is going to install VS Code for us. Afterwards, after we get VS Code, I'm going to go and show you how to install Claude Code. So here we go. So now we can just say finish, and that is going to launch VS Code for you. And what you can see here is simply you have Visual Studio Code up and running. On the left-hand side, you have the folder that you can direct Claude Code to work inside of it. So that means Claude Code is going to have access to all the files that are included here inside of that folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I'm going to come back, I'm going to go back to the desktop here, okay? And I'm going to create an empty folder. Now I'm going to create another empty folder here. I'm going to call it Claude Code Testing, but here I'm going to say VS Code instead, okay? This is just a simple empty folder. There's nothing in there. And really all I need to do is I'm going to go to the top left corner. You can click File. You can say Open Folder. And now you can direct Claude specifically or VS Code to work specifically inside of that folder. So now I'm going to navigate to the Claude Code Testing VS Code. You just say select. And here we go. Now we should see VS Code or Visual Studio Code. I'm going to say sure, trust the authors here. And you should see that right now we are actually working inside of the Claude Code Testing VS Code folder, the empty one. And of course, you will see here that I don't have any folders or any files inside of it. So I'm just going to make this slightly bigger here. And here we have our terminal. You can just simply run one single line to install Claude Code. So to do that, you just need to go back here. So what you need to do is I'm going to go to this link here. It's code.claude.com, docs, and then there's quick start. And basically here you should see there are instructions to install Claude Code for Mac OS and also for Windows as well. So really all you need to do, because here I'm running it on Windows, you can just click copy. You can just go back here to VS Code, and I'm going to just say Control V, just going to paste it simply here, and then press enter. And it's going to take some time for it to run, but basically that's really all you need to do to be able to install Claude Code inside of our VS Code. So here we go. So now I was going to tell you setting up Claude Code, installing Claude Code native build latest. It's going to take a few seconds here for it to run. And I'm going to pause the video and I will be back once it's installed. Now we should see Claude Code has been installed successfully. It's going to tell you installation complete. What you need to do is that you need to kind of start a new terminal. So I'm going to go to the top here corner. Now you should see there is a new terminal, that plus icon. I'm just going to click that plus. And now I started a new terminal here. And to launch it, really, you can just say Claude. You press enter. And please note that right now we are working inside of that empty folder that we already created. It's going to ask you, do you want to trust this folder? Select 1 or 2. I'm going to say, sure, I want to trust it. So I'm going to say, just press number 1 on the keyboard. You can just say 1. And here we go. Congratulations. You have been able to get Claude Code running here inside of your terminal, inside of VS Code. Again, I know that, especially if you're new to this, there are so many things, right? Like what is going on here? What is going here to the right-hand side? Don't worry about it. Really, all you need to do is to be able to prompt it here, and all the artifacts are going to be generated here on the left-hand side. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to test first and see which model, for example, are running behind the scenes. I'm going to say slash, and if you type model, now you should see that there is, you have the ability to set the AI model for Claude Code. You can press enter. Here we go. Now you have the ability to choose from different types of models. You can see that the default mode, there is Claude Sonnet, there is Sonnet 1 million context window, there's also Haiku. You also have the ability to go right or left to change the effort, the reasoning basically. So now I can say, okay, high effort. If you press to the right, you can see low, medium, and so on. I'm going to set it to the default, and I'm going to set it to, let's say, medium effort, for example, and just press enter. Now I got the Opus 4.6 with 1 million context window up and running. So let's test it out. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to run the prompt, which is I wanted to build a personal finance landing page, like a simple website, basically. The business is going to be Wealth Path, and this is going to be the tagline, and this is going to be the output, basically. I just want to create a single HTML file that I can open in my browser. Really, all I need to do is to copy this. I'm going to come back, and I'm just going to paste it here, just Control V. You should be able to see it's going to tell you paste the text 1 to 25 lines. You just press enter. And this is simply how you can run Claude Code. Please note that there are so many things, of course. We'll learn how to set up Claude.md, how to set up as well here all the folder structure. But for now, this is just a quick test just to make sure that everything is running properly. So it's going to simply here think for a while, similar to what we have done before in the desktop app. And at the end, you should be able to see on the left-hand side here, our HTML page has been created. And please note that it might ask you for some permissions. Really, all you need to do is to press 1, and that is going to allow you to skip these permissions and kind of approve whatever Claude Code is doing. So now you should see that when Claude Code is running, you should see there is some like nice kind of keywords that starts to appear here, like it's telling you, for example, brewing, like here is telling you like channeling, stuff like that. Again, I know it sounds or looks pretty old, I would say, or retro style, but trust me, behind the scenes, there are hundreds of Einsteins running ready to build apps, build websites, and automate entire workflows end to end. So I'm going to pause the video and I will be back once the HTML page is created. All right, so it took a few minutes for Claude Code to run. And now you should see it's going to tell you the skill of front-end design skill has been successfully loaded. And now you should see that there is basically code here that has been generated for you. It's just asking you for permission. Do you want to go ahead and write or not? I'm going to say just press 1 on the keyboard. You just press 1. And now you should see the number of tokens that are being used. And here we go. On the top left corner, you should see wealthpath.html page has been created. And now it's going to tell you, basically Claude Code came back. It's telling you what's inside. I create a hero page for you, step-by-step site intake, a dashboard, and so on. To view this, you can just click click, and you can just say, I want to open it or reveal in File Explorer. And now you should see that in my empty folder that I created, an HTML page has been created inside. You can just go ahead and open it, drum roll please, and look at this. So now you should see a page has been created, clarity and control over your financial future, start your assessment. And now let's go ahead and test it out. I can say, for example, my income is, let's say 5K, my expenses are, let's say 3K, the savings is, let's say I have 10K, and my primary goal is to, let's say, start investing. I'm going to say, sure, go ahead, show me. And look at this amazing dashboard that was created, showing you the income expenses, showing you the savings rate, showing you as well here the recommendations. And you can go ahead and book free consultation. Again, all of that has been built with the power of Claude Code. So if you are running on Mac OS, all the instructions are included here as well. So really, after you, let me show you. So after you install VS Code, you scroll down and you do the same deal as well. And what I've done here on the bottom to actually install Claude Code, I showed you on Windows, you just copy this. On Mac OS, you just copy this line instead. You just paste it there, and that's pretty much it. And of course, you can see if you go back to the page here, how to install Claude Code for Mac, you should see that this is the same line. You can just copy that, paste it over there, and refresh it again, and then you should be ready to go. With that, that's all I have for this quick installation video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.